How to crochet the almond stitch. You are going to make a foundation chain of whatever you want to make, and you're going to make a multiple of 8 plus 5, so it will be 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, and once you have the length that you want, it's plus 5 stitches. So once you have that, you're going to start on row 1. You will skip the first stitch, and then you're going to the second stitch, and you're going to make 4 slip stitches in 4 stitches. Skip 1 and go into the second loop, and you're going to make a slip stitch. Then you go into the next loop, make your second slip stitch and your third slip stitch and your fourth slip stitch. So you should have a total of 4 slip stitches. And once you have that, then we are going to switch to a half double crochet. So you're going to go into your next stitch, and you're going to make a half double crochet. That's 1 half double crochet. Then you make your second half double crochet and your third half double crochet, and you should make a total of 4 half double crochets. And once you have your 4 half double crochets, then you're going to go back to slip stitches. So you're going to go into the next stitch, and you're going to make a slip stitch, and into the next stitch a slip stitch, into the next one a slip stitch, until you have 4 slip stitches. So you're just going to keep repeating 4 slip stitches, 4 half double crochets, 4 slip stitches, 4 half double crochets, until you get to the end. You should have 4 slip stitches in the end. Row 2 is going to be the same as row 1, only that it's going to be worked in the back loop. So you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and we are going to work 4 slip stitches only in the back loop. So the pattern, you'll only be working in the back loop and not in the 2 loops. So 1 slip stitch in the back loop, 2 slip stitches in the back loop, 3 slip stitches in the back loop, and the 4th slip stitch. So once you're done with the slip stitches, then you're going to start on the half double crochets. So 4 half double crochets in the back loop of 4 stitches, and from there you're just going to repeat that pattern, which is 4 slip stitches and then 4 half double crochets, 4 slip stitches, 4 half double crochets, only when you are working in the back loop. In the end, you should have a total of 4 slip stitches at the end. So we are always going to begin with slip stitches and end with slip stitches. And then for row 3, it's going to be a change. You're going to chain 1, turn your work, and we are going to be working now differently. So it's going to be 4 half double crochets first, and then 4 slip stitches, 4 half double crochets, and then 4 slip stitches. So you are going to start with 4 half double crochets. So do 4 half double crochets only in the back loop, and once you have your 4 half double crochets, then you change to 4 slip stitches. It's going to be that same sequence of 4 half double crochets, 4 slip stitches, 4 half double crochets, 4 slip stitches, 4 half double crochets, 4 slip stitches, until you get to the end, and you should have 4 half double crochets at the end for row 3. And for row 4, it's going to be a repeat of row 3. So you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to make 4 half double crochets in the back loop. So once you have 4 half double crochets in the back loop, and then now you switch to 4 slip stitches. So it's going to be that same sequence of 4 half double crochets, 4 slip stitches, 4 half double crochets, 4 slip stitches, and this is going to be the whole pattern until you have your whatever desired length that you wanted. So it is a repeat of the row 1 and row 2, and then row 3 and row 4, row 1 and row 2, row 3 and row 4, which is basically 2 rows of where you begin with slip stitches and end with slip stitches, and 2 rows of where you begin with half double crochets and end with half double crochets. So you're just going to keep rotating between these rows until you have whatever length that you want. And yeah, that's it. That's the almond stitch. I made this off the shoulder top using the almond stitch. So if you'd like to learn how to make this top, I have a full tutorial on my YouTube channel. It's Essie Crochet. So thank you so much and see you there. Bye.